1. In that we are going to see about partial fraction. Partial fraction, exercise 2.1. See, what is meant by partial fraction? See, suppose some rational expression is there, p of x by q of x. We can write this rational expression as, single rational expression as, two or more rational expression with some or difference. Sum or difference or that is known as partial fraction. We can write the single expression into two or more rational expression. That is known as partial fraction. See, take page number 29. In page number 29, 10 problems given. I am going to do one by one now. See here. What is first person given? See the question. 3x plus 7 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2. Totally 3 types of partial fractions there. See here. What is the 3 types means? First one is, our denominator has non-repeated linear factors. That means see here. See. X plus 2 whole square. This is the repeated linear factor. First type is non-repeated linear factor in the denominator. See, now you factorize this. 2 minus 3 1. Upon 1 2 is 2. Here minus minus. So 3x plus 7 divided by, this one you can write it as x minus 1, x minus 2. See your denominator here, this power is 1. Here also 1. This is the non-repeated factor. See. Now I am going to write it as x minus 1, x minus 2, a by, what is the first factor? X minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. This is only partial fraction. How I am writing here? This is a single rational expression. This one I am going to write it as two rational expression with sum or difference. Anyone we can use it. Okay. So, now take LCM here. What is the LCM for this? This is left hand side you write as such. This is x minus 1, x minus 2. Take LCM. See the denominator. The denominator that is only our LCM. X minus 1, x minus 2. Here a into x minus 2. So that means a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now see the denominator in LHS and RHS both are same. So that you can cancel this. That means 3x plus 7 a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Now you have to solve this and find the answer. Find the value for a and b. A ko b ko value kandupidikkum. What you have to do? Put x is equal to 2. Now here x is equal to 2 podana. If you put 2 here, this term will become 0. Apra I will get the value of b. Okay. So 2 podanga. 3 into 2 plus 7. A into 2 minus 2. 2 minus 1. The 2 1 substitute panna. Okay. 3 2 6 plus 7 is 13 is equal. 2 minus 2 0. So that you get 0a plus b. So the value of b is equal to 13. Okay children. Next I am going to substitute. Put x is equal to 1. 1 put and add 1 minus 1. This term will become 0. I will get the value of a. So 3 into 1 plus 7. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 1. 10 is equal to minus a plus 0b. So the value of a is equal to minus 10. Have you understood children? Now I got the value of a and b. Substitute here. Person will substitute pannunga. 3x plus 7 by x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to a by, what is given? A by x minus 1 plus b by x minus 2. What is the value of a? Can I convert 10. So minus 10 by x minus 1. Our value of b is 13. So 13 by x minus 2. This is the answer for this problem. Have you understood, children? Saying 2 down போடணுமா 1 down போடணுமா? Not like that. You can substitute minus 2, minus 1, 0 என்ன வேணாலும் small numbers போட்டு simplify பண்ணீங்கன்னா easily you will get the answer. Okay. Next to see, like this you have to do second problem. This is type 1. இதே மெத்தட்ல போடிங்கன்னா you will get the answer for second problem. என்ன type இது? See, your denominator has non repeated factor. Repeated இங்க வரல. Power only அதோட power என்ன 1. Here also 1. 2, 3 இருந்தாலும் that is the repeated factor. Okay, children. Next to see third problem. See third problem. 1 by x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square. See this part is 2. This is type 2. Type 2 என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா see a denominator with repeated linear factor. Repeated ஆ இருக்கு. So this is second type. See என்ன பண்ணனும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா this one you can write it as a by what is the first factor given? X minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. What is the least power? இதோட least power என்னவோ இங்க எழுதுவோம் 1 plus c by x plus 2 whole square. Have you understood, children? அப்படியே எழுதிட்டேன். இந்த ஸ்கொயர் ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். இதோட least power first எழுதணும். Least power is power 1. So x plus 2. Next one is x plus 2 whole square. Now as usual you have to take LCM. See. Now you take LCM for this. See. ரெண்டு காமனா இருக்குன்னா you have to see which is the highest power எதுவோ அதான் எழுதணும். Which is the highest power here? Power 2. So this one you have to write here. இது வந்து இந்த அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோங்க. x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square. Now take LCM a into x minus 1 is there. என்ன இல்லனா this one. So write here x plus 2 whole square plus b into இங்க only power 1 தான் இருக்கு. So x minus 1 இல்ல x plus 2 இன்னொன்னு எழுதிக்கணும். Okay. Next plus c into x minus 1. Now you can cancel this denominator. So what is remaining? A into b into x minus 1 x plus 2 plus c into x minus 1. Now I am going to write, put x is equal to 1 and put I will get 0 here, here also 0 word in the term we put. See, 1 is equal to a into 1 plus 2 whole square, 1 minus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 square is 9. So 1 is equal to 9a, ಇದು 0 word, c is 0 word, 0b plus 0c. So what is the value of a? A is equal to 1 by 9. Next find the value of b and c. இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா put x is equal to minus 2 போடலாம். minus 2 போட்டனா here also I get 0, இங்கேயும் 0 வரும். Okay. Put minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus b into minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 plus 2 plus c into minus 2 minus 1. Now you simplify this. Here you get 0. A also 0. B will also become 0. So 0a plus 0b minus 3c. Okay, children. So 1 is equal to minus 3c. C is equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the value of C. Next find the value of, if I got the value A and C. Next put x is equal to 0. Okay. Substitute பண்ணுங்க here. 0 plus 2 whole square. 0 minus 1 0 plus 2. 0 minus 1. So what is the answer? 2 square is 48. Minus 1 into 2 minus 1c. 4a multiply with this minus 2b minus c. Now substitute the value of a and c here. A and c substitute பண்ணுங்க. What answer you will get? A value is 1 by 9 minus of minus 1 by 3. So see here. What is the answer? 4 by 9 minus 2b plus 1 by 3. Take this 2b to this side, minus plus side. 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Take LCM. LCM is 9. 4 plus 3 minus 9. That is 2b is equal to minus 2 by 9. B is equal to the 2 key. You can cancel. B is equal to minus 1 by 9. Have you understood, children? Now I got the value of B. What is the value of B? B is equal to minus 1 by 9. Now you substitute here. As usual, question la substitute panna. See? Value of A, B and C. See? What is the question given? 1 by x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square is equal to A by x minus 1 B by x plus 2 plus C by x plus 2 whole square. Now you substitute all the values of A, B and C. What is the value of A is 1 by 9. Upper 1 by. Denominator take this to this side. Value of A is minus 1 by 9. So put minus. Value of C is minus 1 by 3. LHS write as such. Have you understood, children? This is the answer for third problem. Okay? This is the type 2. Like this you have to do 9th problem. This method 9th problem you have to do it as homework. Okay? Next see. Fourth problem. See, next I am going to do fourth problem. See what is given in fourth question? 1 by x square minus 1. This is of the form a square minus b square. This one I am going to split it and write it as 1 by a plus b into a minus b. This identity I am going to use it here. Okay. So 1 by x square minus 1 we can write it as a by x plus 1. Plus b by x minus 1. This is type 1. Okay. See our denominator, it is a non-repeated factor. Repeat all. Take LCM. X minus 1. Our LCM is x plus 1 into x minus 1. So a into here x plus 1 is there. X minus 1. B into x plus 1. Okay, children. Now I am going to cancel denominator. Now put x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 you will get value for a is 0. So see 1 minus 1 plus b into 1 plus 1. 0a plus 2b. So what is the value of b here? Our b value is 1 by 2. Okay. Next substitute. put x is equal to minus 1. Appada 1 is equal to a into minus 1 minus 1. Here minus 1 plus 1. Now b will become 0. Minus 2a plus 0b. So minus 1 by 2 is equal to a. Now I got the value of a and b. Substitute பண்ணுங்க. At last like this you have to write a by x plus 1. Our value of a is 1 by 2 x plus 1 plus b x minus 1. This is the answer. Have you understood, children? See, initially you have to split this and write it here. Use this identity. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. And the identity use பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்கன்னா easily you will get the answer. Next, see here, sixth problem I am going to do. This is also type 2. See what is sixth question? 2x square minus 5x minus 7 x minus 2 whole cube. See here, numerator you should not change anything. Now I am going to change only denominator. See this one, see only x minus 2 whole cube. You have to write the least part. You have to change for another 2. Next part 1. So a by x minus 2. அடுத்த பார் என்ன வரும் x minus 2 whole square plus c by x minus 2 whole cube. Okay, split பண்ணி எழுதியாச்சு. Now take LCM. x minus 2 whole cube is equal to, our LCM is here to compare and see same factors irundha which is the highest power adula எழுதணும். That is x minus 2 whole cube. So a into x minus 2 whole square x minus 2 plus c. Okay, now you can cancel the denominator. What is remaining here? 2x square minus 5x minus 7 whole square plus c. Okay, now I am going to write, put x is equal to 2, this also 0, this also 0. Appa I will get the value of c vandrum. So put x is equal to 2 minus 5 into 2 minus 7 2 minus 2, here also 2 minus 2 plus c. So 2 to 4 to 8, 0a plus 0b plus c. What's the value for this? Minus 9. So c is equal to minus 9. Have you understood, children? I got the value of c. Next put x is equal to 0. Now enna poda pora 0 poda pora. See here, what is the value? Instead of x you have to put 0. 0 minus 2 0 minus 2 plus c. What is the value of c here? Our value is minus 9. Substitute minus 9. So minus 7 is equal to 4a. Here minus 2b minus 9. Take this minus 9 to this side. So minus 7 plus 9. 4a minus 2b. 2 is equal to 4a minus 2b. Now I am going to divide throughout by 2. 2 I divide panna so that I can simplify. Apna 1 is equal to 2a minus b. For equation of frame panniten. Okay. Next I am going to substitute. Put x is equal to 1. Small number substitute pannina that easily you can get the value. So put x is equal to 1 da poduma kadiyadhu. You can use minus 1 minus 2 also any number you can write. Okay. But use only small numbers. Put x is equal to 1 podunga enna varum? So a into 1 minus 2 whole square or B also substitute here, 1 minus 2 plus C. Our C value is minus 9. So you will get 2 minus 5 minus 7. Minus 1 square panina only A minus B minus 9. 12 minus 10 plus 9 in the component A minus B. So minus 1 is equal to A minus B. Have you understood, children? Now I got another equation. A minus B is equal to minus 1. If you solve this elimination method which is solve panina, you will get the value of A and B. See here. See, what is first equation? 2A minus B is equal to 1. A minus B is equal to minus 1. Now you subtract, change the sign. A is equal to 2. Okay. This is the value of A. Now substitute. A is equal to 2 in. Take this as first equation. This is second equation. Substitute into A minus B is equal to minus 1. Minus B is equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Therefore, B is equal to 3. Okay. Now I got the value of A, B and C. Substitute here. Values are what is the question given? 2x square minus 5x minus 7 by x minus 2 whole cube is equal to A by, so 2 by x minus 2 plus B. Here our B value is 3. X minus 2 whole square. Our C value is minus. So put minus here. Minus 9 by x minus 2 whole cube. This is the answer. Have you understood, children? Next I am going to do, see here, 7th problem. This is also second type. What is the second type? Denominator with non-repeated factor. Sorry. Denominator with repeated linear factor. See what is 7th question given? X square minus 6x plus 2 by x square into x plus 2. This is the repeated denominator. What you have to do? Repeated split panikonga. A by, what is the least power of 2? 1 now. So A by x plus B by x square plus C by x plus 2. Next what you have to do, split panni eduttu. Next step is you have to take LCM for this. X square into x plus 2. Now take LCM. Take the highest power x square, x plus 2. I mean in our own A into 1 x is missing, x plus x into this x plus 2 you have to write. After plus B into x plus 2. C into x square. Okay, children, LCM eduttu. Now you can cancel this. What is remaining? X plus 2, B into x plus 2, C into x square. Okay. Now I am going to write, put x is equal to substitute minus 2 here so that you will get 0. You minus 2 put in A also 0, B is 0. Okay. 4 plus 2 minus 2. Here minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 whole square. Okay. So here 2 minus 2, here 0. 0A plus 0B plus 4C. 18. is equal to 4. 18 by 4 is equal to 6. Cancel with 2. 9 by 2. So the value of C is 9 by 2. Okay children? Next. Export x is equal to 0. X இருக்கிற இடத்துல எல்லாம் 0 போடுங்க. Plus 2. In this you have to substitute. இந்த லைன்ல தான் substitute பண்ணணும். Okay. Plus b into 0 plus 2 plus c into 0. What is the value? 0a plus 2b plus 0c. b is equal to 2 by 2. What is the answer here? The value of b is equal to 1. Okay, I got the value of b as 1. Next substitute. Put x is equal to 1 here. In the place of x, substitute 1. So what is the answer? Minus 3. 3a plus 3b plus c. Now substitute 3a. Substitute the value of b. Your value of b is 1. So plus 3 into 1 plus 9 by 2. Okay. So minus 3. Take this to this side. Minus 3 minus 9 by 2 is equal to 3a. Take LCM. Minus 6 minus 6 minus 9 by 2 equal to 3a. Okay. So the value is, see here, minus 21 by 2. 3 in the book a. So a is equal to minus 7 by 2. Okay children, I got the value of a as minus 7 by 2. I got a value, b value and c value. Substitute for it. C. What is the last step? X square minus 6x plus 2 by x square into x plus 2, which is equal to, our value of a is minus 7 by 2x. We have to write this x. Next, what is the value of b? B can have 1. So 1 by x square. Our c value is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 into x plus 2. This is the answer. Have you understood children? If you have not denominator key or not, with this you have to write. Along with this you have to write. X order say okay. Next I am going to do 8th sum. This 8th sum is type 3. Type 3 என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா, our denominator we can't factorize. Factorize பண்ண முடியாத denominator வரும். Denominator contain quadratic factor. நம்மளால factorize பண்ணி simplify பண்ண முடியாது. Okay. See the question. See, this is the last problem, 8th problem. See the 8th question. X square minus 3 by x plus 2 into x square plus 1. See this only I said. See the part. This is x square minus 1. This is the quadratic form which we cannot factorize this. அப்படி வந்ததுனா you have to use இந்த ஃபார்முலா பண்ணுங்க. a by x plus 2 ஃபேக்டரைஸ் பண்ண முடியாதபடி இருந்துச்சுனா bx plus c by x square plus 1. Have you understood children? This is type 3, third type. இப்போ நம்ம எதுமே பண்ண முடியாது, we can't factorize. அப்ப that time you have to use this bx plus c கொண்டு வந்துரும். Remaining thing as usual. என்ன பண்ணணும்? x square minus 3 by x plus 2 x square plus 1. Now take LCM. X square plus 1 x plus 2 x square plus 1. Okay, here also as usual you have to cancel the denominator. X plus 2. Now I am going to write put x is equal to minus 2 போடுறேன். அப்பனா இந்த term என்ன ஆயிடும்? It will become 0. So minus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 2. Then 1 is equal to 5a plus the term is 0. 0. So a is equal to 1 by 5. Okay children. Next பாத்தீங்கன்னா I am going to substitute x is equal to 0. See here now substitute x is equal to 0. What you will get? Zero plus 2. So minus 3 is equal to a. B will become 0. Upper c is, see here 2 is there. Upper 2c. Okay. What is the value of a? A value 1 by 5. Just you substitute here. 1 by 5 plus 2c. Take this 1 by 5 to this side. 2c. Minus 15 minus 1 by 5. Minus 16 by 5. Bring this 2 to left hand side. Upper denominator 8. So c is equal to minus 8 by 5. Have you understood children? Now I got the value of c. Next substitute the value and got the value of b. Put x is equal to 1 1 minus 3. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 2. So minus 2, 2a plus b plus c into 3. Okay, so minus 2, 2a plus 3 multiply பண்ணுங்க 3b plus 3c. So minus 2, 2 into 1 by 5 plus 3b, 3 into minus 8 by 5. So 2 by 5, எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம பண்ணுவோம். Minus 2 by 5. 8 is 24. Minus 24 அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? Plus 24 by 5 is equal to 3b. Take LCM. 24 by 5. Minus 12 ஆயிடும். 24 minus 12 is 12 தான் வரும். So 12 by 5. 12 by 5 into the denominator 3 கீழ வரும். b. Cancel பண்ணீங்கன்னா 4. So b is equal to 4 by 5. Have you understood children? Now I got the value of a, b, c. Substitute here. See, write the question here. X square minus 3 by x plus 2 x square plus 1 which is equal to a by, what is the value of a? 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 into this one x plus 2 plus what is the value of b? 4 by 5. Appa 4x plus value of c is minus. So write minus 8 by இதுக்கும் 5 இதுக்கும் 5 இந்த காமனா எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Write it here. X plus 1. 4x minus 8. Like this also you can write. 4x minus 5 கூட எழுதலாம். Okay, that's all. This problem over. See, like this we have to do 10th problem. 10th problem பாத்தீங்கன்னா third type we have to do. 9th problem பாத்தீங்கன்னா second type we have to do. Okay, totally I gave 4 problems as homework. Okay children, do it. Okay, thank you.